class 7. Hopefully you all are excited to see your teachers first time on this virtual learning. The book recommended by our school is from DAV Secondary Mathematics and it is easily available in the bookshop in our school premises. Let us start our first lecture by recapitulations of the things which we have done in class 6. Start with counting numbers. Counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. The numbers which we use to count the things are known as counting numbers. We have another name for this counting number as natural numbers. Counting numbers form the system of natural numbers. Now, if I am having 5 rupees in my hand and I am going to purchase a pen for rupees 5, how much money is left with me? Nothing. 0. So, when 0 is added to the natural numbers, what will we get? We have another name for this number, whole numbers. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, so and form the